Good morning. We'll start the morning call today. So yesterday, U.S. markets went significantly, wherein Dow fell almost 2.5%. Mainly, Fed announced the rate cuts by 25 beeps yesterday, and that was widely anticipated to a target range of 4.25 to 4.5%. However, this rate cut was overshadowed by its forecast of just two rate cuts in 2025, fewer than the four previously expected by the market. So, this dampened the investor sentiment. Consequently, even the Asian markets are down in the morning trade. Asian markets are waiting for Bank of Japan rate cut news. So, now I request the technical team to take the call forward.
Yeah, good morning, all of you. Last three trading session we saw that Nifty seeing the some pressure in upper range. Right now trading near the important support zone that is 39, 29,900 and 24,000, and with Nifty below the open below this important range. Then we expect further sell off towards the 23,770, 23,700 at downside. Upside first immediate resistance place around 23,000, 24,000 for 300 and above. And if Nifty trading below this important range, then we expect the pressure to be continue in few trading session. Bank Nifty also trading near the long-term moving averages, and first immediate support place around 52,000, and if Bank Nifty break this important range, then we expect further sell off towards 51,640 and 51,400 at downside. Upside 52, 500 and 600 next immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. So today both index we see some gap up, gap down, and if first half an hour Nifty trading below the important support range, then we expect this sell off to be continued towards a downside limit. In stock specific, ACC, SDFC, AMC looks negative. Last few trading session, we saw that ACC also showing a negative side, and RSI also showing a downward cutting. To we expect the continued selling pressure in ACC. Bata India also looks weak at current level. SDFC, AMC, we last two trading session, we saw that some pressure. This pressure to be continue at downside. Positive side, Balkrishna Industry looks positive at current level. Dr. Reddy also trading above yesterday managed to sustain the 200 DMA. Do you expect positive side in Dr. Reddy? Arunda Pharma also looks positive above the 1240 range, and right now close above this important range. So we expect positive side 1340, and immediate downside support place around 1220. So we expect positive in or on the pharma, Dr. Reddy and Balkrishna Industry. That's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing that Nifty is showing a gap down opening almost around 350 points on the lower end. As we have seeing from last 2 weeks, that once if Nifty goes below 24,400 level, then fresh short will be initiated in the market, which will take Nifty towards the 24,000 to 23,800 level. The next support for the Nifty lies at 23,800 level. Once if that level gets broken out, then the next level for the range shifting will take place directly towards the 23,500 to 23,200 level. So current scenario seems to be on the negative front. Only the possible pullback which we are expecting will be from PCROI, because PCROI closed at 0.55 level and it is at oversold zone. So some sort of a pullback will be witnessed in the second half for the range of the PCR to be maintained towards 0.60 to 0.80. Once if that comes around the range of 0.60 to 80, then again sell on rise strategy need to be initiated in the market. So overall view seems to be on the negative front, while India VIX yesterday closed at 14.37 levels. So once India VIX goes above 15 level, then we expect cautious momentum will be increased in the market. So overall strength seems to be on the negative front, sell on dry strategy need to be initiated at this point of time. If any pullback comes about 24,400 level, then a new long need to be initiated, or else we should wait for the new long to be created in the market at this point of time. While the stock specific and sector specific front counter that looks negative will be LIC Housing Finance Indus Tower, which we have recommended in yesterday's session. Also, we are expecting more selling can be witnessed in today's session. Another counter that looks negative will be JSW Energy, Lodha, and Adani Green looks negative. So that's it from Value front. Thank you.
Okay. So a couple of IPOs are opening for subscription today. One of them is Sanatan Textiles. It's a 550 crore issue. Company plans to mainly repay borrowings through the money. Sanatan is a yarn manufacturer, especially polyester, and it has a market share of around 1.7% in the overall Indian textile yarn industry. Company has an installed capacity of 2.24 lakh MTPA in Silvassa, and it is in the advanced stage of commissioning a greenfield manufacturing facility in Punjab with a total capex of around 1800 crore, which will almost double the capacity for the company. The bidding date for the issue is 19 to 23rd December. The price band is rupees 321 on the upper side. Sanatan's revenues have degrown at a CAGR of 4% during FY 22-24. Margins have remained flat at around 7.5% in FY 23 and 24. We believe the valuation at 13 times as FY24 EV by EBITDA is a little higher than its peers. So we are assigning a neutral rating to this issue. Apart from that, today Inventurous Knowledge Solution Limited, which had is getting listed today. It's a technology firm offering a platform for healthcare organization mainly in the US. So we can expect a 32% premium during the listing today. That's it from me. Thank you.
Good morning. Today one more IPO will be opening. The name of the company is Mamta Machinery Limited. Details of the IPO are like issue size is around 170 comprising entirely of OFS. Price band is rupees 230 to 243. Market cap post issue will be 598 crore. Talking about the company, Mamta Machinery is a leading manufacturer and exporter of plastic bag machines, pouch making machines, and packaging equipment. The company serves industries like FMCG, food and beverages, and e-commerce, with notable clients like Balaji Wafers and Hershey's India, operating from facilities in Gujarat and Florida. Mamta Machinery's advanced manufacturing facilities and automation capabilities position it as a quality-driven and cost-competitive player. Innovation in recyclable patents and strong R&D focuses add barriers to its competitors. Based on the peer comparison, Mamta demonstrates strong financial and operational metrics relative to its peers. Mamta's EBITDA margin of 20% significantly outperformed the peer average of 12%, showcasing its superior operational efficiency. It also leads with an impressive ROC of 33% and ROE of 27%, well above the peer averages of 16% and 12%. Its valuation multiples are attractive, with EV by EBITDA at 13 times and PE at 17 times, significantly lower than the peers, indicating undervaluation. Thus, we recommended to subscribe to the issue. Thank you.
Good morning. Also, today, Dam Capital Advisors Limited IPO is opening. Its bidding date is 19 December to 23 December. Its price band is 269 rupees to 283. Its issue size is 840 crores. The post issue market cap will be 2000 crores. The public issue consists of offer for sale aggregating up to 840 crores. Talking about the company commenced their operation in the securities market in 1993 as SS Kantilal Ishwara Share Brokers and Investors Private Limited. In 1994, they rebranded and operated under the name as SS Kantilal Ishwara Securities Private Limited. In 2006, Infrastructure Development Finance Company commenced the acquisition, which culminated terminated in 2008. In 2019, IDFC Group divested its entire stake, which was acquired by Dharmesh Anil Mehta and other investors. Subsequently, company is currently operating in investment banking and institutional equity broking. In July 2020, the company name was changed to Dam Capital Advisors Limited. The company has achieved a rapid growth of total income CAGR of 38.7% and PAT CAGR of 79.4% between FY22 and FY24. Its valuation is DAM Capital Market is rapidly growing merchant banking in India with a revenue CAGR of 39% from FY22 to FY24 and the highest profit margin in FY24. Its stock market share growth to 12.1% in FY24 reflects its leadership in IPOs and QIPs, backed by an experienced team, sectoral expertise, and repeat client business. Based on peer comparison, DAM Capital stands out among peers with exceptional growth and profitability. It achieved a superior ROE of 54.7%, higher than the peer average of 24.1%. Its EBITDA margin of 59.1% is above the peer average of 50.3%, reflecting operational efficiency. Its PE multiple is at 28.4 times, slightly higher than its peers, giving its strong fundamentals and focus on high margin investment banking. We recommend to subscribe to the issue. Thank you.
Good morning. IPO of Concord Enviro Systems Limited is also opening today. Bidding dates are from 19th to 23rd December. Price band is between 665 to 701. The market cap post issue will be rupees 1451 crore. Total issue is of 500 crores, consisting of 175 crores of fresh issue and offer for sale worth rupees 325 crores. Proceeds from fresh issue will be utilized for investments in its wholly owned subsidiaries for financing its capex requirements for the greenfield project and brownfield project amounting to rupees 35.5 crore. They will also do repayment of borrowings worth 50 crore and investment in technology and other growth initiatives to access new markets worth 23.5 crore. Concord Enviro Systems Limited was incorporated in 1999, which is a leading global provider of water and wastewater treatment solutions with a strong emphasis on zero liquid discharge technology. The company has two manufacturing facilities, one located at Vasai in Maharashtra and other at Sharjah in UAE. Coming to the valuation, the company is well positioned in the growing market for water and wastewater treatment solutions, particularly due to its expertise in zero liquid discharge technology. The company has demonstrated a commendable revenue growth of 22.8% CAGR from FY22 to 24, reflecting its ability to capitalize on increasing environmental regulations and the rising demand for sustainable solutions. Despite these positive indicators, it has delivered lower return ratios due to its weak working capital management. The ROE stands at 12.8%, which is notably the lowest in the industry, having an average of 17%. Additionally, the ROCE is 13%, impacted by a higher working capital cycle of 154 days. This extended working capital cycle suggests that ROCE may not increase substantially in the near to medium term. The IPO is priced at 22 times FY24 EV by EBITDA, which seems to be discounted valuation when compared with the industry average of 31.8. Although the company has delivered strong top-line performance, its weak return ratios marks it as a fairly valued investment at this valuation. Thus, we recommend neutral to this issue. Thank you.
That's it from us. Commodity team can take it forward.
Yes, thank you, Kavita. Good morning, everyone. So today we are expecting a gap down opening in commodities. Gold prices are likely to test 75, 800, 75, 700 on downside. So any pullback around 76, 200, 300, one can initiate a sell with a stop loss of 76, 600. And in silver, one can sell on rise around 88, 800 with a stop loss of 89, 800. and on downside it is expected to test 87,500 to 87,000 on lower end. Whereas in copper, prices are already tested 800 levels. It can further test 796 94 level on downside. So any pullback around 804, one can sell with a stop loss of 808. Whereas for trading purpose, if prices are already correcting and testing 7 784 794, then for a pullback one can buy with a strict stop loss of 792. And in zinc, prices can test 278 277 on downside, so wait for a pullback till 280.50 to 81 and sell with a stop loss of 283. Whereas in crude oil, we are expecting prices to consolidate. Prices are trading in a range from 6050 to 5900. So one can trade within this range or wait for a breakout. Whereas in natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 297 300, and on downside one can initiate a buy around 285 with the stop loss of uh, 278. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.